Welcome back to Tradition X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Look Fantastic. We are filming back-to-back videos, so you'll probably see this video first.
And we were talking about our mom. Well, Kim was mentioning in our other video that we haven't been filming as much, and we've been busy almost every night because as soon as we're off work, we're going to check on our mom. But just so you guys know, so if you don't see our videos right away, or this time, her health was kind of deteriorating, and so now the last couple days she seems like she's been getting better, but we've been working with her. We got her like a nurse and everything.
So the inside of the box says, "Get lost in the wilderness. You were born to be free." They always have some cute saying in there. It's cute. Okay, do you want the little booklet?
Sure.
And so it's kind of a green color.
Where's my box? That's what I'm wondering. This is
very light. Well, I guess the magazine no longer comes in it, so I'm so used to that weight, I think. Okay, let's see what we got. I think the biggest thing in here I'll pull out is Magnetone London Wipeout Eco-Friendly Microfiber Cleansing Cloth. Removes makeup with just water.
I never liked those. I don't know why. This is wet cloth with warm water and gently wipe away makeup using circular motions. I just feel like it's like a washcloth. That's just me. I mean, I feel like it could take off some stuff, but I feel like in the end it ends up having stuff like caked on it so much that it just doesn't come off as well as like a cleanser. I don't know. That's just
And then I have Avant, I don't know how you say it. Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Seawater Shea Butter.
And that was worth...
Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer.
That wipeout was worth 10 pounds, and the Avant, if we're saying that right, is worth 100 pounds. It says, massage into the skin in circular motions starting from the inner portion of your face to the outer. So, interesting.
And then I have Core's, I hope I'm saying that right. Did you have to say established Core's or established 1996 Core's? I don't know. Hydrobiome Probiotic Super Dose Face Mask. It says microbiome friendly technology, anti-pollution tested with real Greek yogurt. Well, I guess that's it, right? Yeah. Made in Greece, yeah.
It sounds good, but it says apply thick, it's supposed to be lather. It says later. That's funny. Onto clean, dry skin and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. So even though I like that product, I don't like that you have to rinse it off. It's worth $9.40 in pounds. But yeah, it's one of those rinse away ones, which I have like 100,000.
Maybe for skin was
so I put that in a giveaway just because I have so many of those.
It would feel nice to have on there or something. Ooh, one of my favorites, Dr. Lip Tint. My Dr. Lip Tint
sweet potato,
because I have the plain one in my purse, but I have this one over there, I think. But yeah, sweet potato pigment, 100% natural. I should just put some of this on.
This is worth 3 pounds. And this is applied directly to the lips or spread with fingers for a more even coverage.
Yeah, I like that. That's my favorite thing so far. And then Ico, yeah, I always like anyway, brow gel Style and Define, established 1999. No, Ico London.
This is worth $10. It says the nano brush allows you to precisely define your brows but keeps them looking natural. Remove excess product from the brush and apply in upward strokes. I just couldn't tell.
How do we know what color it is?
I don't know if it is a color. That's all I'm wondering. Because it says this Ico brow gel tames unruly eyebrows and provides long-lasting hold without flakiness or stiffness. Infused with beneficial ingredients including keratin and ginkgo biloba to condition and thicken the hairs. So I don't know if
open it and like try it and then
see. Yeah, she can do that if it's clear, guys, and I can put mine in a giveaway. So.
Oh, it looks like. Oh, is it? Wait, is that like glitter? Do you see how it's all sparkly? Am I imagining that?
I don't know. Can you put it on the eyebrows and see if it does anything?
I'm going to step off camera real quick and see what it does.
She only has one more item to open, but meanwhile, I'll just show you guys how if you don't get this this box, that there's a few more pages if she hasn't shown you, because I think she just handed it right to me. So just a few different things, which is cute. I really do miss the magazine, though. I love magazines. Even if I don't read them, I love getting them.
I don't know why it said, it's like kind of glittery. I don't know. I'm like, oh.
I know it said without flakiness, right? No flakiness.
It just kind of looks, I'm doing my brows terribly in a rush, but anyway. No, so it has color, but.
Oh, it does?
Yeah,
oh.
It just looks like, maybe it's just because it's shiny, it looks glittery, but I swear there's like glitter in it.
It looks shiny.
Like even if you look there, look, it's like copper, I don't know.
And I don't know if you guys could see the glitterness in her thing, but if that's a word.
Anyway, so at least it's colored. That's a good thing. So But I tend to wear like powder on my
I know, and I used to use those, but now I don't like, quite as much. So
I don't know either, but yeah. So, but that's in there just in case you guys would know. Balance Me Hyaluronic Plumping Mist, 99.9% natural.
Worth $10, 10 pounds. And it says spray on a face and pat excess moisture until skin until fully absorbed. So that's like something I would like because you could just like leave it on.
And is that
I think that should be it.
Okay.
Yeah, and this box is about what,
$17.
$17. I always liked it, so I'm glad my husband got it for me again, which I've mentioned before. And again, that's the front and the back. If this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, know about our future giveaways. We can do one anytime you guys want us to, if you're not worried about the COVID, or you can just spray all our stuff down just in case with antiseptic or whatever.
No one in our family has it as far as we know. But
yeah, if you want us to, but just give us something down below in the comments, just letting us know if you want us to do a giveaway sooner than later. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.